Hello friends, my name is Rahim Khan. Once again, I welcome you all to my channel. Well, if you don't know me, I'm a Renew Success coach and emotional healing expert. Well. In this video, I'll be talking about success. Many people always ask me, how can I achieve success? My question is very simple. If you are able to achieve your goals, then you will be successful or you'll be able to achieve success. The problem is with most of the people that they have lots of knowledge, they have lots of information, they can gather lots of knowledge and lots of information, but then also they don't know how to achieve success, or they are unsuccessful in their life. The problem is very simple, that you have lots of knowledge, you can gain lots of knowledge in today's age, but you lack focus. You don't know how to implement the things. Gathering knowledge is very much easy, but how to implement it is a difficult if you lack focus. And for that purpose, you need to have goals in your life. Your long-term goals, your short-term goals. I always train in my 6-step success formula that how you can achieve your goals and growth to achieve success in your life. Goals and growth is very much important, because if you are having goals, then only you will grow, and because of this growth only you will be able to achieve success in your life. So lack of focus is very big problem. You have lots of knowledge, you can gather lots of knowledge, you can gather lots of information, but then also you don't have focus and you are not able to achieve your goals. Second thing which is very much important is you lack mentor. A mentor is very much important to make you achieve your goals. In fact, I am having lots of knowledge. I believe that I am having lots of knowledge in my subject. I can train anyone, I can question, I can answer any questions. But the problem is I also need mentor, because due to mentor, I can gain lots of focus and I can achieve my goals very easily. That's why mentor is very much important, because you gain focus, things become easy for you. You get an accountability partner who can help you out. You get a positive environment to develop yourself. Lots of factors involved when you get a mentor. So having a mentor is very much important. After that, one more thing which is very much important is your mindset. I always train people in their cognitive behavior, in how intuition works, how your emotion works, how your mindset works to achieve your goals, to achieve growth in your life. Because if you are not having a proper mindset, you won't be able to follow in the right direction. You won't be able to follow the right path. You always be disturbed. The problem is, why you are disturbed is because there is always some kind of question, some kind of information which is coming to your mind. Some kind of doubt will always come in your mind, that whether I'll be able to achieve it or not. So your mindset is very much important, because always believe in one thing, that everything is in your mind. Whatever you are doing, if you believe in it, you will be able to achieve it. If you don't believe it, you won't be able to achieve it at any point of time. So your mindset is very much important. So if you want to learn more, if you want to understand more things about success and how I can achieve it, you can join my workshop, my 4 days boot camp on 6-step success formula. So that's it in this video. See you in the next video. Thank you.